Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So we have a news headline for today. Says it's BTC about to make a big move. So here we have total market cap about 1.32 trillion, and you can see the decline sign there. Says that which is not in favor of what we saw yesterday. Then with 24-hour volume was 65.40 billion, which is okay. Notable movers, okay. Bitcoin dominance seems to be a little bit stable, but the Bitcoin price is still $32,366. The Ethereum has gone below the $2,000 mark. Then we have in Cardano. Cardano is still thriving, still trying to meet up. So these are news updates from the Coinmarketcap. So we have BitTree here, BitTree where you can get premium listing track for new generation blockchain products. So we have the top 5 gainers and the top 5 losers for today on CoinMarketCap. We have Quitmere, Total Finance, Black Wallet, Jasmine, Gift Token, Mini Baby Dogecoin, Mini Baby Doge, TriumphX, Rabbit Finance. So the thing about these coins is that for the top 5 were the coins that were moving in the direction of top gainers as of weeks back. So but currently now they are in the top losers category. So one thing is for sure, that these ones that are in the top 5 now, for the top gainers, there are chances that a time will come for them to be in the top 5 losers too. So the good thing, what you should note, that as a beginner in cryptocurrency, is that you need to know when to sell so you don't run at loss. But meanwhile, it's not, once your profit that you've gotten is set and you've gotten your target, you need to try and sell, and so that you don't run at loss. So the top stories on today, we have the calm before the storm. Say Bitcoin's long holding period might be about to end. Glassnode has described the past week's market activity as the calm before the storm. Meanwhile, Katie Stockton of Fair Lead Strategies believes a breakout is now more likely than a breakdown. She says continual daily closes above $35,500 would allow BTC to advance to $44,000. So guys, they are still debating on the Bitcoin price and the possibility of BTC going to $44,000. So we have Revils hackers vanish. So the Revils group appears to have vanished from the dark web. Couple of weeks after stage one of the biggest ransomware attacks in history. Unfortunately, this could be bad news for victims who are currently battling to get their systems back online. So guys, remember this ransomware issue that came up weeks back? We updated it here. So it seems that the people behind it have not made any new updates since a couple of weeks after their last update. So NFTs come with a dilemma. Say new NFT projects by the renowned British artist Damien Hirst comes with painstaking dilemma for those who make a purchase. He has created 10,000 paintings, each one with their own individual traits and unique NFT. However, owners have to make a choice. If they keep the NFT, the artwork is associated with will be destroyed forever. Wow, that's something else. Then little demand for crypto. The CEO of BlackRock has said that he's seeing little demand for crypto digital assets. Speaking to CNBC, Larry Fink said he has received not one question about Bitcoin over the past 2 weeks, indicating long-term investors are interested in other things. Likewise, he added that attention is also falling away from meme stocks such as GameStop. So hey guys, these are the updates on CoinMarketCap. For bonus tip, we have CoinMarketCap launches parachain auctions tracker, which you can check out, and there's a way you can get free USDT, as is seen here. You can partake in Coinmarketcap, a monthly portfolio airdrop, Bitcoin prediction, and legal tender prediction, watch list airdrop, and the likes. So, guys, I'll be dropping the links. I hope you find this interesting. Hope you've gotten one or two infos as regards crypto headlines today. Don't forget to subscribe and feel free to drop your comment in the comment section. One love.